I'm so happy. Are you all excited? You know what? This is the first time. This is the first time I've been to a place where people are so happy. Yeah, I'm a doctor and businessmen, businesswoman, they're sad, very busy. But you are very happy. All of you are good looking. What's your secret? Share me your secret later. Okay? So energetic. So probably you have a great secret within you. You have a great business, and I'm very, very happy for your great reception. This is my first time in Malaysia. Thank you very much. Today, this will be a very exciting day for all of us because you will understand more about a great product which I've been using for 5 years already, since 2011, and I'm very satisfied with the results for myself and for my patients. Okay? So the title is Understanding MIME, a Doctor's Experience. Okay. This is my first question. Do you want to be healthy? Are you sure? Of course, you are in the right place. Do you want a better immune system? Yeah. This will be answered all by MIME. Okay, please repeat after me. 1. I'm in the right place. Right place. I'm in the right time. And of course, I am in the right business. Do you agree? I can't hear you. Okay, we all agree. You're in the great business. At the back, I met a crowd. Very young. No need to work anymore. Very wealthy. If I knew Elkin before, I should have been a doctor. I'm very busy. No time for myself or my family. I'm happy for you all. Congratulations. Okay. Before we go to our homes, our places, what you're going to hear today, what are you going to learn, please share to everybody. Because this product is great and this will help a lot. Our friends, our relatives, our patients. Okay? Promise? Are you going to share this to other people? You're great people. So this is Mycelium Immunomodulator Extract, MIME, you all know as Alpha Hex. Okay? Are you using Alpha Hex? All of you? That's why you're so beautiful. Why I believe in the product? You know, I'm a scientist. Aside from being a doctor, I'm a scientist. And I came across people doing research for MIME. I have met many people from different countries, and I attended their convention in Japan personally. Later on, I will tell you what made me believe the product, MIME or Alpha Hex. And for us researchers, we need valid studies to support our claims. And I saw many studies written and not written in articles and publications telling that MIME is really good and significantly improve our immune system. A little bit about my background. It's okay with you? I just share with you myself. I'm a surgical oncologist, meaning I'm an expert in cancer surgery. Okay, I'm a surgical oncologist, and I'm also a level 4 professor. Meaning, in our medical school, I'm one of the highest level. No more level 5. Okay? I do health talks not only in the Philippines but also in other countries, US, Hong Kong, Singapore. So I love teaching. That's why I love what I'm teaching to you right now. I'm also the former editor-in-chief of the Philippine Journal of Oncology, meaning if you have a research paper you want to publish in the Philippines, they must go to me for it to be approved or disapproved. So I'm the editor-in-chief. I'm also a peer reviewer for a journal in Singapore. Singapore Medical Journal. I'm one of the peer reviewers. My decision is whether to approve or disapprove certain articles for publication. I'm also the former president of the Philippine Society of Oncology, meaning all the oncologists in the Philippines are under my wing. So that's my background. Aside from that, I am being invited by several organizations because I'm a business leadership personality coach. Yeah. I'm also a print model. I'm a TV radio personality in the Philippines. I do acting. I'm an actor also. Secret. Don't know that. So that's my background. I do a lot of stuff. And I know MIME is helping me do my duties. Okay. The difficulties I faced in treating cancer patients. Most of our patients, after surgery, they undergo chemotherapy. The problem with chemotherapy, the drugs are too toxic to normal tissues as well as to the cancer tissues. Okay? What chemotherapy does, it will kill rapidly dividing cells, like the hair follicles, the lining of the intestine. That's why patients with chemotherapy, they undergo diarrhea, baldness. Just take note, I did not undergo chemo. Just take note of that. And the problem with cancer patients is nutrition. Other one, depression. Why? Unhealthy body, no money. That's the problem with our patients. So many problems, and of course, financial aspect. Okay, how did I meet MIME? Okay, way back in 2011, the president of our society was invited to go to Japan to attend the convention. However, the president was not available, so I was just a replacement to go to Japan. Okay. Do you want to know my reaction when I met MIME? I was so negative. Why? What is MIME? This is the first time I've heard MIME. What's that? I'm really very negative. I understand some doctors are negative also. But if you are going to educate our fellow doctors, you help them, you bring them to your meetings, and able to see the literature, they will believe. Do you believe? They will believe. If you will approach a clinical doctors with clinics, probably they will also be negative. Okay, I'm a clinician, but I'm also a researcher. That's why I understand what are written in the published articles. I know how to understand publications. I know how to understand research. So it's okay for me. Okay? When I went to Japan, I was so amazed. Why? I met scientists from different hospitals, Europe, Asia, Russia, doing research paper for MIME. And our meeting is about one day. One whole day. However, the conferences are in molecular level. So it's very hard to understand for everyday clinician. It's very hard. I'm also a molecular oncologist. I understand molecules, but the level in the Japanese convention was really very extensive. You need a scientist to understand. Anyway, there are some clinical studies which I understood. Okay, I met research scientists. Some of those came from the hospitals where I trained. Okay, I met several scientists from the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center. I went to this hospital in 2004. And you know what? University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center ranked #1 cancer center in the whole of US. So this is a very, very prestigious hospital. And with regards to research in cancer, University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center is #1. Okay? Another some scientists came from Columbia University Medical Center. This is the biggest hospital in New York. I also came from Columbia. This is the biggest hospital in New York State. And almost all of the research on prostate cancer, because these scientists, these people, these doctors are using MIME for treating prostate cancer. Most of the research came from Columbia University Medical Center. Other scientists from Yale University. Yale is an Ivy League school, meaning it's a very, very prestigious school in the US. Okay? This is one of the pictures I got during the conference. We also use that, what do you call that? Interpreter device. Because some of them speak Korean, Thai. By the way, this is also being used in Thailand. Okay? I met a Thai gynae onco using MIME for treating women problems in the pelvis, ovary, uterus. So they are using this in Thailand. Okay, this is one of the meetings. Okay, other pictures. Okay, just for one day, one full day of extensive class. This was taken inside the factory manufacturing MIME in Sapporo, Japan. And we had some get-together with the scientist, owner of the factory, and we exchanged ideas regarding your experiences in your country. We also give them our experiences in our country, the Philippines. So this is a great place to interchange lessons from one another. And this person, one in circle, is a good friend of mine. Do you know him? One in circle? This is the most energetic, one of the most intelligent, one of the most respected person in MIME revolution. This is none other than Dan Leeton. Dan Leeton, he is the author of the book. Okay? You can talk to him up to 2 a.m. talking about MIME, and every time we meet in Japan, we cannot find him. He is in the radio station giving interviews about MIME because he is a well-sought businessman from the US, known to all of us because of MIME. Okay? So he's a very tough guy, very happy person. I've been to the factory in Sapporo. This is the northern part of Japan. Okay, that's where Sapporo is. And it's a provincial province. Very natural environment, less buildings. And located in Sapporo is the company culturing the root. Please take note, the root of the mushroom. Some patients would ask me, Doctor, what if I will not buy your MIME? I'll just take the rooting vegetable, the shiitake. The problem is, the chemical we used, alpha-glucan, is concentrated in the root. It is not found in the body of the mushroom. So please tell your friends do not replace MIME with a fruiting body. It has no alpha glucans. Okay, understood? Okay. So I took one of the bottles and had a pictures with that. And at the background is the factory. If you will visit the factory, I'm from the Philippines, I've noticed the quality of the Japanese manufacturing processes. They follow international standards like the ISO, good manufacturing practices, and I have seen how automated. They don't touch any of the drugs. They are all automated and very respected factory in Sapporo, Japan. And one of the staff of that factory is here, Mr. Shitaro. Shitaro, he flew from Japan just to see all of us here. Wow, thank you, Mr. Shitaro. I met him several times in Japan. Now, we all know the benefits of MIME. Just a review. We all know MIME enhances and balances the immune system. If we have overreactive immune system, we have allergies, our self-attacking our tissues, autoimmune condition, okay? Autoimmune condition, too much inflammation, too much hyperactivity, destroying our tissues. And if you don't have enough immunity to certain viruses, certain diseases, you will develop infections. And of course, the deadly disease, which you all know is cancer. Okay? So there should be a balance. And I believe, based on my studies, MIME is a good immunomodulator in the whole world. The best. Okay. Have you heard inflammation throughout your classes? Inflammation? Okay. Inflammation is hyper reaction of our immune system. By the way, who among you avoid inflammation in the body? Can I have a raise of hand? You don't want inflammation, you're doing something? You're doing something because you're taking MIME. No problem with that. But every day, we are surrounded by pro-inflammatory substances. We do not want inflammation in the body because it will give you many diseases and chronic conditions. An example of a substance that will promote inflammation in the body, any guess? Sugar. Sugar. If you want sugar, replace it with the brown sugar. Okay? Sugar, I avoid sugar. Especially cake, ice cream, processed breads, I avoid. And I'm sorry to tell you, I do not eat too much rice. You too, very good. Especially the white, because brown rice is very expensive in the Philippines. Okay, probably in a day, I eat half cup rice in a day. Almost fish, vegetables, and fruits. I'm just sharing my information. It's alright with you? Because I don't want you, because if you are taking MIME and you are eating pro-inflammatory substances, you might need 20 soft drinks of MIME. Good for you. Okay, sugar. Sugar found in soft drinks. That's why I don't drink soft drinks. Iced tea. In the Philippines, it's very common to drink bottomless iced tea. So avoid sugar. Saturated fats. Saturated fat is very dangerous because it will promote hypertension. It will clog your arteries. Saturated fats found in pizza, cheese, milk product. So what's your lunch for today? Anyway, you can eat. Don't worry, you have MIME. Right? Don't worry. Saturated fats and trans fats. You know trans fat? Trans fat is is a very important ingredient in making cakes, biscuits, anything with expiration date, and it's solid. Probably it has trans fat, like potatoes, potato chips, burgers. It has trans fat. It will clog your arteries. That's why you should avoid pro-inflammatory substances. Omega-6 coming from meat oil. That's why I do not eat too much meat. Beef. I eat fish. Why? Because fish has omega-3, which is helpful. Omega-6 is dangerous. Okay? Omega-3, you can find it in fishes and in olive oil. Do not cook olive oil. So omega-6, aspartame, artificial sweeteners, refined carbohydrates, monosodium glutamate in the food we eat, it causes inflammation of the liver and kidneys. Many Filipinos are allergic to MISG, allergic reaction, hyperimmunity problem, gluten and casein. Some people are allergic to gluten and casein, and about last Thursday, I saw a patient with gluten problem, gluten allergy. That's why I recommended taking 3 soft gels of MIME. Okay, alcohol. This is the question. Okay, I'll just return. Some pictures are going up. Okay. Okay. This is the question. Have you eaten one of these in the past few days? Are you worried? You should not be worried. You are taking alpha hex. Right? Do not worry. Okay? So as long as you are taking alpha hex daily, I think it will solve your problem. Inflammation in immune system. Inflammation causes overreaction of our body. And what's the problem with overreaction? Destruction of many tissues in the body. This is a new concept we have not learned from medical school. Inflammation. I'm happy that you know inflammation. Many common people do not know the concept of inflammation. If you have inflammation in the body, what will happen to you? You have a higher risk of having cancer, cardiovascular diseases, Alzheimer's diseases, brain problem for old people, pulmonary diseases like bronchitis, chronic emphysema, arthritis. Some people, are you aware that some people who are eating peanuts, they have pain in the toe? Because peanut can cause inflammation. That's a process of inflammation. So be careful with that. And autoimmune diseases, neurological, diabetes may be caused by inflammation. Too much sugar may inflame our pancreas. I just want to point out some things. Sorry for the picture, one of my patients. If you continue to have inflammation, just like this patient had this squamous cell carcinoma, cancer of the skin, which came from burn injuries. She got burned a few years ago and it developed into cancer. So probably, how come chronic inflammation will cause cancer? It can. So we operated on the patient. Among other patients with liver cirrhosis because of too much drinking, it inflames the liver. And when you inflame the liver, what is the final result before liver failure? Cancer. You will develop cancer with too much inflammation. And of course, H. pylori infection. Some of you will not be treated with antacid alone, but you will need an antibiotic to treat your H. pylori infection. So, to control inflammation, we need alpha hex. Okay, this is the best solution to stop inflammation in the body. Your immune system, we all know this. This is involving our white blood cell, macrophage, cytokine, and dendritic cell. Just a review. Natural killer cell is a part of our white blood cell system. What it does, it directly attacks disease cells, cancer cells, microorganisms invading our body. That's why we need natural killer cells in the body to attack and destroy invading organisms. We have also macrophage. Just imagine this. The macrophage is like the Pac-Man. If it encounters any organism, it will kill, it will engulf, it will eat the disease cell. Cytokine is like the cell phone message. Cells to cells, they are communicating through molecules. These are cytokines. And cytokines is the one involved in inflammation. Okay? Dendritic cell is just part of the immune system presenting organisms, microorganisms to the immunity to be killed. So, it's just part. And based on many studies, I'll tell you, based on our readings, based on all the articles presented in our Japanese convention, MIME enhances the effect of these substances, which are all very important to our body. Agree? Agree. MIME, we have used it for allergies, autoimmune diseases, infection, inflammation, stress, cancer, any stage. Okay. MIME and immunity. There are so many articles published on MIME and immunity. Sorry, I have no time. If you gave me probably 6 hours, I can tell all of them. There are hundreds of publications. But I do not want to bombard you with too much information. Okay, I just want you to relax and be happy. Okay. MIME has reliably improved immune outcomes in human subjects based on recent studies. So it did improve immunity, white blood cell count. MIME, because of its effect to WBC, makes it a very powerful immune-enhancing supplement. It came from one researcher. It did not come from the company, from your company. It was revealed to us by one researcher in this study. For white blood cell, we know white blood cell is very important to kill foreign substances, organisms. Our product enhances production of powerful cytokines, tumor necrosis factor, and interleukin. Again, cytokines is needed by the cells to communicate to one another. If we want further immunity, more cytokines will be produced. Okay? Tumor necrosis factor. Do you have any idea what is tumor necrosis factor? Tumor necrosis factor is secreted by the cell to kill cancer cells. That's why you should be aware that it should be functioning well in the body. Tumor necrosis factor. And interleukin. Interleukin is what involved in inflammation. Cervical infection. Is cervical cancer very common in Malaysia? Cervical cancer? Yes, probably. And it was found out that if you have an infection of human papilloma virus, it is sexually transmitted virus. Okay? If you have an infection of HPV, you have a higher risk of developing cervical cancer. That's why we have pap smear. We go to the OB-GYN for checkup. And one study, it was presented during the convention in Sapporo this year. MIME was able to eradicate the human papilloma virus after 6 months of supplementation. Very good. The question, does MIME kill directly the virus? No. It's because of our immune system. For cancer, MIME improved the quality of life of patients undergoing chemotherapy. You know, chemotherapy is very stressful to our patients. Very stressful. Because there are many side effects of chemotherapy like depression, pain, numbness of the extremities. And the good thing about this is that people who were given MIME have lesser blood and liver problem. Because we all know chemotherapy affects the WBC. I have seen patients with low immunity who were given chemotherapy and their WBC is way down, almost killing them because of chemotherapy. Okay? And liver problems. Chemotherapy attacks our liver. That's why patients undergoing chemotherapy, they have inflammation of the liver. If you will check their enzymes in the liver, they are all elevated. They are all inflamed. That's why these people will benefit MIME treatment to decrease the inflammation during chemotherapy. So if you're going to ask me, Doc, can we give MIME to patients undergoing chemotherapy and radiotherapy? My answer is yes. There are several studies wherein MIME was given to patients undergoing chemoradiation and they showed positive effects. So no problem. Okay? Because what's the good thing about MIME is it promotes the action of natural killer cells helping chemotherapy kill cancer cells. So always bear in mind the natural killer cell. Okay? Decreased white blood cell, MIME, has the potential to decrease the side effect of chemotherapy in breast cancer. The white blood cell is still normal even though the patient is undergoing chemotherapy. So that's good for all of us. Good for all the patients. Right? Very good. This landmark study was made in Japan. This is one of those studies that made me believe MIME. Have you heard or came across this research paper in Japan? They found out that those people with stomach here, and large intestine or the colon, after surgery and after giving MIME to these patients, they had prolonged survival. Meaning, if there's a patient in Japan, stage 1 stomach, stage 1 stomach cancer, given MIME, another person not given MIME, those people given MIME live longer. All stages. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. Stage 4 is extensive already. And large intestine, the same. Stomach cancer is very common in Japan. That's why they made a study on this. And they also made a study on large intestine. Same result. Those given MIME live longer. We want that to our patients. Right? Of course, we want our patients to live longer. That's why we need to give Alpha Hex in this way. This is a great product. Even after advanced liver cancer, MIME decrease the recurrence and prolong the survival of patients. Another study made by 2 researchers. Various cancers. Given to various cancer, MIME was able to improve the quality of life even during the late stages. Improving the quality of life is this. One aspect is happiness. Happiness during MIME treatment, less stress, less fatigue, more vigor, more energy. Right? Have you experienced that? Yes. Okay. Observations, better appetite stimulant, increase of smile. By the way, I just want to share my experience with MIME. Okay, I'll just proceed later with this surgery. I'm taking MIME since 2011. Okay? It depends on my mood. 3 to 4 cups every night. Every night. I don't know what's your experience, but my experience with MIM is this. When I take MIM with 4 soft gels a night, I have better sleep. As for me, I had vivid dreams. I can't remember my dreams. Do you have experienced that? No. But in my patients, they have experienced that. One person approached me, Doc, how come your MIM is giving me very clear dreams? Don't worry, I had the same. Okay? With MIME, I can sleep. Normally, I sleep 4 hours, 5 hours. With MIME, I can sleep up to 7 hours. Okay? I just want to share with you that when I go to Malaysia, a night before I did not dream MIME because I might oversleep. I might not be able to come to your beautiful country. Okay? How many minutes? Okay? Okay? And why during the night? Because I have an experience that when I take it, because I take 4, I'm very lazy to just take 4. And sometimes I put it on my hand. 5, oh, it's okay, 5, no problem. When I take the 5 or 4 capsules of soft gels in the morning, I sleep in the noontime, and I eat a lot. That's why this is very good for my cancer patients. I solved the problem by taking the soft gels at night. I'm very energetic. I'm very happy. Even though I slept 4 hours, 3 hours, next day, guaranteed 100%, no headache. No headache. No dizziness. That's why when I came here in Malaysia, I was so dizzy. Okay. I was so sleepy in the car going here because I did not take my MIME. This is my experience. You know, I'm a surgical oncologist. After surgery or before surgery, I prescribe MIME to all my patients. It can be given to all cancer patients, can be given together with chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Okay, my friends in the radiotherapy department, they are giving this, and they found out that there is less or no skin necrosis during radiation therapy. No nausea, no vomiting. And based on my experience, I'm using this to my patients since 2011. I did not encounter any side effect. Never. 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 The experience of my patients, better quality of life, meaning they are more happy, less stress, better sleep with dreams, better appetite, which is good for my cancer patients because they need better appetite. Okay? Because they are losing their energy because of poor nutrition. Less nausea, vomiting during chemo. Chemotherapy is better tolerated. They can tolerate what I found out is during chemotherapy, the white blood cell do not go down to dangerous level. It's okay. So I advise my medical oncologist to give MIME together with chemo. Less skin irritation during the radiation, less fatigue, and more energetic. Okay, I'll give you several examples. I have several examples, but I have not time. Okay, this is one of our patients, 44-year-old female, had mastectomy for borderline pilodes. This is my patient, meaning if after surgery, if the patient will have problems with immunity, he will develop cancer in the future because she had borderline pilodes, high risk for cancer development, high risk for recurrence in the mastectomy site. And during the time when I saw her, together with the big tumor, she had 11 tumors in the right breast. 11. But I think these are all benign, so no problem. This one is the problem. So I removed the breast, and after more than 3 years, of 3 soft gels a day, no recurrence, 11 became 5. Very good. So good for the patient. They are taking pictures. Okay. Another patient of mine, 35 years old, had mastectomy, removal of the breast for breast cancer. The tumor then was less than 5 centimeters. It's very big already, so it's very big, high chance of recurrence after the surgery. Okay, I removed the right breast. After more than 3 years of 3 soft gels a day, no recurrence up to this time. I'm very happy for her. Because after surgery, within 5 years, very critical. You will see recurrence, almost all of the recurrence occur within 5 years. That's why we have to boost the immune system of our patients. Another patient, this is a very wealthy patient. 67-year-old male, stage 4 lung cancer, diagnosed more than 4 years ago. Okay? Please take note that lung cancer is very morbid, meaning if you are diagnosed with lung cancer in the Philippines, normally lifespan is about 1 year. 1 year. However, there are so many factors that came in to this patient. One, during that time, he had metastasis in the pubic bone together with an HCM left lung mass. So this patient received 3 soft gels a day together with chemotherapy. So this patient underwent chemotherapy, also change of lifestyle. He is eating more natural foods, more exercise, okay, less stress. So different lifestyle change. And based on my practice, after imaging results, HCM after the treatment, it became 2 cm, very small. For the HCM, 2 cm, it's fine. What really strikes me is this. He is living up to 4 years. 4 years. It's very rare in the Philippines. Lung cancer, even stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, within 1 year you're dead. But this person, during the time, is already stage 4. So very good effect for the patient, MIME. How many minutes? Okay. 31-year-old male, stage 2 lymphoma. Lymphoma, friends, is connected with the immune system. If you have a negative immune system, poor immune system, you will develop cancer of the lymph nodes. Okay? So this patient had cancer of the lymph nodes diagnosed more than 6 years ago. Okay, before I saw him, he already underwent chemotherapy. Please take note, lymphoma is easy to treat with chemo and radiation. The problem with lymphoma is the recurrence. They easily recur. Within 1 year, 2 years, they will recur. So this patient received MIME, 3 soft gels a day, and we did an imaging protocol. We used a very powerful machine. We call it the positron emission tomography, computed tomography scan. Meaning, even though your tumors are not seen in the usual CT scan, ultrasound, chest X-ray, we used this very powerful machine. We call this the PET scan. And last year, he had a PET scan, no recurrence, almost 5 years. This patient was included in our study. Okay, I'm one of the investigators for this study, and one example is this 38-year-old female. when the patient presented to us, she had 12 centimeter breast cancer. Meaning, this is 6, this is another 6, this is big. This is 12 centimeter. But since the patient was enrolled in our study, we will not operate on the patient, but we will try MIME if it will be effective. So our protocol is to give 6 soft gels a day. 6 soft gels a day. So from 12, it is now about 10 centimeters, about as big as this. So it became smaller. Why? The patient did not undergo chemotherapy radiation. She only received MIME when it became smaller. So the patient eventually went to surgery and was given MIME. So you see that MIME can definitely decrease the size of the tumor. Do you think this is significant, 12 to 10? For us doctors, is yes. Why? From 12 centimeter, you ask the patient to change their lifestyle, eat multivitamins, etc., etc. It will not go down. It will never. Sometimes even chemotherapy, 12 cm, 12 centimeters, it will be larger, even with chemotherapy. Another patient of ours, 45-year-old female, 8 cm breast cancer. 6 cm, 2 centimeter, probably this 8 centimeter. This patient was entered in our study and given MIME, 6 soft gels a day, 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon. After 4 weeks, 1 month, it is now 8 centimeter, it is now 5 centimeter, something like this. Very small. This result is very amazing for us doctors. Very amazing. Another patient. This patient had a fine needle aspiration biopsy. We just put a needle, a small needle for biopsy. However, the pathologist was not sure whether what we got is cancer or not. That's why the diagnosis is a typical mastopathy, meaning it could be cancer or it could be a pre-cancerous lesion. However, the patient did not undergo further biopsy. Okay, let us try MIME for 4 weeks, 6 soft gels a day. Result from 6 centimeter gone. This is cancer, it's gone. It's benign tumor, it's gone. Wow. I have never seen a product like this, even with chemotherapy. Never. 6 centimeter is very big for us. And this one patient of in our institution, 56-year-old female with far advanced liver cancer. Liver, very toxic. Okay? He underwent resection and for 3 years, he's taking MIME 3 soft gels a day. And I asked him the reason why. Doc, I really like MIME. Why? Because I had better appetite, better quality of life, more energetic. Okay, continue. No problem. So he's continuing MIME for almost 3 years already. And he's still living, no problem. Liver cancer. Very promising. And if you will research on many studies in the literature worldwide, MIME were also given for cancers of the tongue, stomach, liver cancer. I have treated patients with liver cancer, pancreas, pancreatic cancer, and colon cancer. Worldwide also, for breast cancer, for gyne problems, cancer or tumors in the fallopian tube, ovary and uterus, MIM is also very effective. For testicular cancer, for prostate tumor, I have friends in our hospital, neurosurgeon, they give MIME for prostate cancer already. I just don't know what's happening with the patient because we do not talk about our patients too much. But they are giving MIME for prostate cancer. Also used for prostate cancer located here, and for cancer of the bones and blood, multiple myeloma. It's very effective also. I think you should go to Sapporo, Japan. You attend the convention, you will never sleep because you will know how effective is the drug to everyone. We should invite them all. For free? Yeah. You should. Because if some of you are still in doubt, you should talk to the scientists who are doing the research papers. Because I told you before, I don't believe. My prescription for early stage cancer, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, my prescription is 3 to 6 capsules per day. Too many. Okay? For stage 4, widespread involvement, there are some people I prescribe 12, but some of them, because of the price, they only take 6 or 8. It's also very expensive. But you know, the factory in Japan has good quality. If there's good quality, there's a price involved. Of course, we want it to be effective, there's a price involved. But have you copied it already? Because this is our prescription in the Philippines. Okay. Several studies again concluded that it really reduces tumor size. It's not only my observation, but also observation of many scientists worldwide. Some complete shrinkage and inhibit recurrence and distant extension, increases patient survival, no doubt about it. It increases survival, prolong the life of our patients. And please always remember this. It restores the natural killer cell, which is very important in our immune system. These are the side effects of chemotherapy, problems with different organs, pulmonary problem, hepatic diseases, hair loss, fever, because of the infection, they develop fever. Hematologic disorder, the WBC count goes down. Renal toxicity because of chemotherapy. Digestive organ dysfunction, diarrhea, infection of the colon. However, because of ME, improvement of symptoms. So I highly recommend MIME to all cancer patients. No problem. Especially those undergoing chemoradiation. And this one, hair follicles based on research on animal. MIME was able to protect hair follicles in hair damaging animal experiments. I don't know, probably my genetics too much. One subject, October 2011. April 2012. May 2012. Probably a little significant improvement because of MIME. A little, but probably it's very satisfactory to the subject already. Have you noticed better hair growth? Not yet. Not yet. Probably you should take it 4 cups a day. Let us talk later. Okay, hair improvement. April 2011, siguro a little improvement. Good, 2012. Okay. I have a friend who is taking MIME. And she found out that MIME might control hair loss. So what she did, she recommended MIME to a friend who took MIME 3 soft gels for 6 months. And through email, she sent me a photo. Okay, Dr. Well, this is my friend who took MIME. It might help you during your neck. Okay, that's why I use this in my lecture. Okay, probably a little improvement, but probably it will cover a little more spaces in the balding area. So it can improve hair loss. And in 2013, the last time I went to Japan, my colleague from the Philippines, who is doing research with MIME together with radiation treatment, all over the world, many scientists who presented the paper, my friend, Dr. Banuelos, was awarded the most promising research award, meaning the design of the product is very good. And we will just await for the result of the research paper. I think this is the best. The best immunomodulator in the whole world. It's Helvahex. If you're not taking MIME, start. I know you're already using it. Start. If you're not taking if you are taking MIME, continue. And if you want a great life with MIME, inform other people. Because many people will have benefits taking MIME. Okay, do not be secretive. Share the knowledge to other people. Many people will love you because of MIME. What is the best immunomodulator? MIME? MIME? MIME. Okay. Oh, sorry. Anyway, they included my picture. I thought I'm already through. Okay. That's why I'm a model in the Philippines. Okay. I just want to tell you this. Okay? With good nutrition, proper mindset, taking MIME, avoiding pro-inflammatory substances, doing lots of exercises, okay? Always be aware of your health. I know you are all wealthy already, but we should prioritize our health. So this is me when I was still very unknowledgeable about MIME, health values. Now I talk in TV straight about health. Because when I was in the TV, I was so fat. I think I had to change my lifestyle. So this one was taken 2013 with a change of lifestyle. Probably taking more of your supplements, you can attain a great body like this. With that, thank you very much. I'm very happy that I met very good people, good-looking people, and beautiful, handsome people, and very joyful. Your energy is awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you.